A simple meditation and affirmation of gratitude, anchored in your subconscious with havening techniques. Here we go. I picked tomatoes from our garden boxes. While doing so, I lovingly held each fruit and thanked the universe or God for providing me with this bounty. I will now slowly savor this little tomato that we all at some point mindlessly chewed and swallowed. Let's take our time with this little fella. Watch how it looks. Notice the color, the texture, the shape of this little grape tomato. Then notice how it feels. This tomato feels smooth and a bit elastic. From experience, I know that if I press harder, I will smash it, and the goodness in it will explode all over me. I do not want this now. I slowly take it to my lips, and I notice how it feels, the temperature, the smell, the texture. Ah, so good. And now I slowly take it into my mouth, and I will notice the feel of the tomato as I chew it slowly, the changes in texture and flavor as I slowly move it backwards and then swallow it. I will spare you the image of this. You can imagine. Please do this as often as you can with every piece of food you choose to ingest. You can heighten the feeling with doing self-havening. Remember, this food has been created by the universe, by God's hand, by nature, to nourish your body, your mind, and your soul, to give us energy and sustain life and health. I'm grateful. I love my food as I love myself. I love my food as I love myself. Thank you.